Deputy Chief Minister Bapet Yakatanat PWD, Uba Prestone Tingsong, Ulaong ba Kajintre Banshnai ka subway Hakabinta Jong Surok, Shillong-Dawki, Kabala Sha Rong no Hakaum, Kalajan Poi Shakabakot. Ulaong bala Jingtha ya ka NHIDCL, bat ka Executive Agency ban Pinstead ya ka Jingtre, Kabamenta kadang ya Chaprang Manla ka Sngi bniah. Katkum ke jing ong jong u ka sorkar ka kermen ba ka Surok Shillong-Dawki kan la bantre kambiang Hapoh Shi Taeiw uba Prestone ula pensyairu ba ka Surok Shillong-Dawki kadai ka project jong ka sorkar India ring ba ka NHIDCL hinre ka sorkar Jylla bat ka PWD kiranya trailang bat ka NHIDCL ringkat ke jinga trailang jong ki bor Sinchar district ban penbe ye ki jing e bat ki ban pentikna ba ka jing trai ka ya instead.
Yeah, see, instruction has been given. I'm always in touch with the district MCM, with the DC, and with our SDO civil, and then with our team from PWD. They are on the job. And see, the real issue here is about that, that portion where the road was washed away. So now instruction has been given to NHIDCL with the company whom they selected for execution work to create a subway there itself. So I'm happy to inform you that now creation of subway is almost in the final stage. The work is on, day and night this company are working, and I'm very sure hopefully within 1 week's time, right? Sure. Maybe within one week's time, we'll be able to again make this Shillong-Dawki road operationalized.
What about the slow nature of the work?
Come again.
How do you speed up the work?
Speed up the work.
The Shillong-Dawki road.
Then Shillong-Dawki road, again I'm telling you because this is not directly under the control of the state government. You are aware that. I think you know it well. This is done by the government of India through the NHIDCL. Ministry of Road Transport has entrusted NHIDCL to do all the needful. So, but from our side, from the state government and from the state building, we are also working together with the NHIDCL. Any issues, any logical, any sensitive issues which they have, or the challenges that they have, then state government step in, district administration step in. So that is the duty from the state government where we are doing it. And then we have already impressed upon them, and I've told them that you please make sure that the progress of work is satisfactory.
Kanong ba bernihan kadon hauput usam hapedeng ka Assam bat Meghalaya kawe kathem arteli ki Jylla hakabenta jong ka Assam dan kumba arpauteli ki karkhana red category bat ka Central Pollution Control Board kalapin bniah kate kathan kum ka jaka ka belong critically polluted hangta kadon ka air quality monitor ka balapin pau ka Khubor balapau perthai hakabenta jong ka Meghalaya pan dan tang santeli ki karkhana red category kajo ka leer ka baya bentalang hinre ka jingmi jabo ka yapher de nakata ka daw kini arteli ki Jylla Mynta ki dang pen khre banthau ya ka joint action plan.